I'm going to download and use Android command line tools to install the Android SDK components I need for Windows.net. I created a folder on the C drive to store the tools. The root folder can be named anything, but the cmdline-tools and latest folders are required. I'll copy all content from the downloaded cmdline-tools folder to the latest folder. Next, I'll add the command line tools bin path to the system path variable to run the tools globally. I'll also add a new system variable for Android SDK root to define where components should be installed. Now open or relaunch CMD. I'll try a command for one of the tools. It fails because it couldn't find Java, which is a prerequisite. So I'll install Microsoft.Open.JDK development kit. Searching winget shows available versions. I know 17 is compatible, so I'll install it. Once it completes, relaunch CMD so the added Java variables are recognized. And now the command works. I'll use sdkmanager to install the components I need. I'm installing platform tools, API 36 platform, the build tools, the emulator, and the default Windows system image for the API. It finished. Now I'll use avdmanager to create a virtual device to emulate. Option N is the name I choose for it. Option K is the system image. And option D is the device to use. Even though the percentage is 25 is created, I'll list the virtual devices to confirm. If I check my Android SDK root folder, all the items are installed there. The new folders need to be added to the system path variable as well to run the tools like emulator and ADB globally. So that's it. From this point, I can launch the emulator and build .NET APKs from the command line.